Hey everyone, Patrick here. This is Mason, my son, and I just wanted to talk about this Jazza's art pack, which I just got in the mail. I'm very excited to open it up. Thought you guys might want to check it out. Jazza, if you're not familiar, is a YouTuber, and he's an awesome artist as well, and does lots of videos and makes lots of different things, and he's just came out with this art pack. So I bought it straight away. I want to check it out, maybe do some drawing. So you want to have a look?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's have a look at this. Really cool stuff.
This is cool.
Wow, check it out. So we've got all different types of mechanical pencils.
What kind of is this?
That's a really fine tip kind of marker.
Oh.
Yeah, that's great. There's so many different levels. All right, let's take this off and see what else we've got in here. That is amazing.
What? Get it out. I want to watch.
Oh.
This is cool.
Great carry case. I can put everything in here that I need. That is awesome.
Oh, look. It's Jazza.
And we got a sketchbook. Yeah, there's Jazza. And yeah, awesome sketchbook here.
Jazza. This is my favourite bit. Oh, it actually teaches you how to draw things.
Yeah, so here is the thicker pages here. Do you want to like practice one? How about you try and draw this face?
Let's do this together. Let's draw this. Let's show,
All right.
Let's show
All right,
everybody.
then. So we're going to try and draw this guy right here. We had a lot of fun creating our characters, and I decided to do a Venom as well. I actually made a tutorial out of this, which you can find in my Patreon. There's a link in the description. But this is where I really wanted to play around with Jazza's art pack, and I started off sketching out Venom. And this pencil was perfect for these super loose roughs, while I structure out the character. And I absolutely love this ink pen. I can't get enough of it. It's just so smooth, and the way that it can go really thick and really thin in such a dramatic way, absolutely perfect. And I just know that I'm going to be doing a lot more drawings down the track. So I have also recently started up my TikTok account, and I'm going to be posting a lot of my drawings on there. So give it a follow, and there's going to be plenty more to come. And thanks for watching.